Vanessa here from AngelRose Designs here on YouTube, and today I'm here with a project share challenge for Jenny Dreamer, who's having a challenge on her channel for her birthday. And you can make either a memory dex card or an ATC. So I decided to make an ATC card. And what I done was I took a plain card and I attached it to some cardstock, okay? Then I covered it with some of, whoops, where did it go? This type of fabric with sequins on it. It's lace fabric with sequins. And then I covered it with a little butterfly that I cut out of my scrapbook paper. And then I typed this out here, fly high. And then I used some of these little bling flowers from Dollar Tree to trim it out. And then I put some flat back pearls, 3 here, 1 and 1. And then on the back, I made a little pocket to put all my information, which is on this foldable tab here. I'm not going to show it, but that's okay. And I put some more of the little flowers here. Okay? And this is my entry for Miss Jenny Dreamer's birthday challenge on her channel. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell for when I have new content coming up. And be kind, be safe, be happy. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.